Primetime news this evening. Prime Minister Holness addresses the nation as COVID cases surge. Ultra-Rios gridlock, but who is to be blamed? And later, schools across the country affected by termite infestation.
Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also in this evening's broadcast, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what has been your experience attending entertainment events, the movies, or going to restaurants during the COVID pandemic? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.